Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yesterday I had uploaded the video about non-detailed section, which are consist on 3 lessons, and the last one is deleted for this year, and first one already has been explained, and this is the second lesson for intermediate second year for the year 2022, as it is shown on the screen, non-detailed section. The lesson name is Fadl, الصدق, Superiority of Truthfulness, or you can say virtue of truthfulness. In this lesson, no need to write the summary, but the summary is related to the SAQs. That is why, for better understanding, once or twice you have to read the story also. Then after, it will be very easy to solve the question and answer. So that is why let's to go read once the story of the lesson Fadl الصدق. Here it is written 2, that means lesson number 2. The lesson name is Fadl الصدق, virtue of the truthfulness or superiority of the truthfulness. Urdu and English also mentioned here. I am going to translate this one in my own words. That will be more easy. As-sidqu. As-sidqu will be repeated in the SAQs also. And khaslatun mahmudatun indallahi wan nas. So these first line, you keep memorizing this one. It will be helpful at the time of reading, solving the question and answers. What is the meaning of as-sidqu? As-sidqu means truthfulness, as it is written on the top. As-sidq, truthfulness. Khaslatun, habit. Mahmudatun, praiseworthy. Indallah, near the Allah. Wan nasi, and the people. What is the meaning? The truthfulness is praiseworthy by the Allah and the people. وَأَمَرَ اللَّهُ تَعَالَى وَرَسُولُهُ النَّاسِ بِالصِّدْقِ فِي الْقَوْلِ وَالْفِعْلِ. And Allah and His Prophet has ordered about the truthfulness at the time of sayings and doing deeds in our lives. فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. Then the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, has described himself. إن الصدق يهدي إلى البر وإن البر يهدي إلى الجنة. Indeed, the truthfulness leads to the virtue, and indeed the virtue leads to the paradise. وَإِنَّ الرَّجُلَ لَيَصْدُقُ حَتَّى يَكْتُبَ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ صِدِّيقًا. And indeed the man keeps saying truthfulness till his name will be recorded by the Allah as a Siddiq. وَإِنَّ الْكِذْبَ يَهْدِي إِلَى الْفُجُورِ. And indeed the telling lies leads to the wise. وَإِنَّ الْفُجُورَ يَهْدِي إِلَى النَّارِ. And indeed the wises lead to the hellfire. وَإِنَّ الرَّجُلَ لَيَكْذِبُ حَتَّى يَكْتُبَ عِنْدَ اللَّهِ كَذَّابًا. And indeed the man keeps saying lies till his name is recorded by the Allah as a liar. الصدق سبب النجاة والهداية. Truthfulness is the cause of salvation and guidance. ومن أشهر الحكايات في فوائد الصدق, and among the famous story about the benefits of telling truth, حكاية الشيخ عبد القادر الجيلي رحمة الله عليه في أيام صباه. A story of Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi in his childhood. كان الشيخ السيد عبد القادر الجيلي راغبا في العلم منذ طفولته. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi alayhi was interested to seek knowledge from his childhood. ودرس الابتدائية على أمه بعد وفاة أبيه, and he learned in the beginning on his mother after the death of his father. وقال لأمه يوما, and one day Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani alayhi rahmah said to his mother, أنا راغب في الذهاب إلى بغداد, I am interested to go to the Baghdad, لأنه مركز للعلم والعلماء, because Baghdad is a hub for the knowledge and it is the hub of scholars. فأذنت له بالخروج, then his mother gave him permission to go to Baghdad, إلى بغداد. ثم وضعت 40 دينارا في كيس صغير وربطته بثوبه تحت إبطه ونصحته أمه, and his mother put 40 dinars in the small bag and stitched with his cloth under the armpit, and she advised him, means his mother advised him, Ya bunayya, O my son, la takdib fi halim min al-ahwal, don't tell lies in any circumstances. لأن الله لعن الكاذبين, because indeed Allah has cursed on the liar. فَالْزَمْ الصِّدْقَ دَائِمًا, so always be truthful. فَوَعَدَهَا الْوَلَدُ بِلُزُومِ الصِّدْقِ وَالْوَفَاءِ بَعْدَهَا, then the boy has promised to his mother about telling the truthfulness. فَلَحِقَ بِقَافِلَةٍ ذَاهِبَةٍ إِلَى بَغْدَادٍ, then he joined with the caravan which were going to the Baghdad. وصارت القافلة بعيدة عن الجيلان, then the caravan went very far from the Jilan. وَدَخَلَتْ فِي الْغَابَةِ, and the caravan entered in the forest. وَهَجَمَ اللُّصُوص عَلَى الْقَافِلَةِ, and the thieves, dacoits, attacked on the caravan. وَنَهَبُوا أَمْوَالَهُمْ, and they looted their mal, their wealth. وَجَاءَ لِصٌّ إِلَى الْوَلَدِ وَسَأَلَهُ, and one thief came to the boy and asked him, Al-Lissu, the thief, bandit, هل عندك المال? Do you have the mal? Al-Walad, the boy, Naam, yes. عندي 40 دينارا, I have 40 dinars. فظن اللص, then the thief thought, أنه يسخر منه, the boy is making joke on him. فجاء إليه لص آخر, then the second bandit came to the boy. يسأله نفس السؤال, asked him the same questions. فأجاب الولد بنفس الجواب, then the boy answered the same answer, replied the same answer. فوقع اللصوص في الشك, then the thieves got confused and they got shak, doubts. فأخذوه إلى رئيسهم, then the bandit took him to their chief. فسأله رئيسهم, then his chief asked him, الرئيس, the chief, هل عندك الدنانير, do you have dinar? الولد, the boy, نعم, yes. عندي الدنانير, I have dinars. الرئيس, the chief, كم دينارا عندك, how many dinars do you have? الولد, the boy, عندي 40 دينارا, I have 40 dinars. الرئيس, the chief, أين هي, where is it? الولد, the boy, في كيس صغير مربوط بثيابي تحت إبطي, in the small bag which is attached with my cloth under my armpit. فأمر الرئيس بقطع الثوب المشتمل على الدنانير, then the chief ordered to cut the cloth which is consist on the dinar. ولما نظر اللصوص إليها, when the thieves saw the dinar, عجبوا من أمر الولد, then they surprised. فسأله الرئيس, then the chief asked him, أيها الولد, O boy, لماذا صدقت, why did you tell truth? وأنت تعلم جيدا, and do you know very well, أننا أعداء للمال, we are the enemies for wealth. فلا نترك أي مال, we don't leave any wealth, من غير نهب, without looting, إذا ظهر, when it is appear. الولد, the boy, لأنني وعدت أمي, because I have promised to my mother, بأن أصدق دائما في كل حال, that I will tell truth in all circumstances. فبكى رئيس اللصوص على ذلك, then the chief of the bandits started crying on this matter. وقال, and said, يا للأسف, alas, إن هذا الولد يوفي بعهد أمه, indeed this boy is fulfilling his mother promises. وَنَحْنُ لَا نَحْتَرِمُ عَهْدَ اللَّهِ وَأَمَرَهُ, and we are not respecting the Allah's command, Allah's order. فَتَابَ الرَّئِيسِ, then the chief repented. وَتَابَ مَعَهُ الْآخَرُونَ, and the other thieves also repented. مِنَ السَّرَقَةِ, from the thieves. عَلَى يَدِ الْوَلَدِ, on the boy's hands. وَرَدَّ اللُّصُوص جَمِيعَ الْأَمْوَالِ إِلَى أَهْلِ الْقَافِلَةِ, and returned the thieves all wealth to the caravan. أيها الأولاد, O boys, جعل الله هذا الولد إمام الأولياء, Allah has made this boy the leader of the awliya. أيها الطلاب, O students, انظروا, pay attention, كيف صار صدق الولد الصالح sababa hidayatin kasiratin min al-lusus. How became the truthfulness of the pious boy reason for the guidance of many thieves, dacoits. وَكَيْفَ سَلَكُوا طَرِيقَ الْهِدَايَةِ بِفَضْلِ صِدْقِهِ. And how they had chosen the way of guidance because of the truthfulness of the boy. So this is the story of this lesson, Fazl al-Sidq. Then after exercises here, whatever the difficult words are used in this lesson are explained here, like Fadlun, grace, Khaslatun, attributes, Annas, the people, Yahdi, he guides, Yaktubu, he writes, Sababun, reason, cause, Ashhuru, very famous, Tufulatuhu, his childhood, Dinarun, dinars, gold coin, As-Sidqu, truthfulness, Amara, ordered, Al-Qawlu, the sayings, Inna, certainly, Al-Kizbu, the lie, An-Najatu, salvation, Hikayatun, story, Arba'ina, 40, Al-Lusus, thieves. Then after, question and answer. Answer the following questions. Ayyu shay'in yahdi ila al-birri. Ay, which, shay, thing, yahdi, leads, ila, to, al-bir, virtue. So which thing leads to the virtue? Answer is as-sidqu yahdi ila al-birri. Only you remove the ayyu shay'in, and instead of ayyu shay'in you have to write as-sidqu, then copy the whole questions, answer will be correct. Second question is very easy, hal. As so many times I told you, whenever you see the question hal, you have to write na'am, yes. Hal means is, do, does, are. Al-kizb, telling lies. Yahdi, leads, ila, to. Al-fujur, wise. So is the lie leads to the wise? Na'am, yes. Al-kizbu yahdi ila al-fujur, telling lies leads to the wise. Ayyu khaslatin, third one. Ayyu khaslatin, which habit, mahmudatun, praiseworthy, indallahi wan nas, by the Allah and the people. Answer is as-sidqu. Ayyu khaslatin, question tag, just remove this one and write down instead of ayyu khaslatin as-sidqu, and then copy the whole questions, answer will be correct. Then the last one, Mada sa'ala lissul awwalu al-walada. Mada sa'ala lissul awwalu al-walada. Mada means what? And another word is there, ma. Ma and mada, both meanings are what? Sa'ala, asked, simple past. Al-lissul awwalu, al-lissu, the thief. Al-awwalu, the first thief. Al-walad, the boy. So what did ask the first thief to the boy? Jawab. Sa'ala al-lissu. Just remove the mada and then copy the whole questions. Sa'ala al-lissul walad. Sa'ala al-lissul awwalu al-walada. Ask the first thief to the boy. Then after this much only you have to memorize. Hal indaka malun. Do you have mal? Answer will be perfect. So here in this lesson 4 questions, and the previous lesson 4 questions have been already explained. So already here one is hal. So now only 7 questions are left here. So if you remember and if you memorize 6 questions or 7 questions, inshallah you will be deserved. You will be able to get 8 marks from this section. So study well, try to get full marks from this section. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.